Okay, we can start the class. We are discussing about place values and face values, use of commas, etc. This makes the numbers reading and writing very easily. Okay. Then we discussed about Indian system of place value. All of you got textbook? Yes? Okay, very good. We are discussing about place values. Then we already discussed about Indian system of place value. Then next we have to discuss about international system of place value, international system of numeration. Okay, come to the point. We are discussing about international system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we have places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. Right? Right? Then, when we look at the international system of numeration, we have ones, tens, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, etc. In the Indian system of numeration, place values, we grouped places into different periods. The periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, etc. Okay. When we come to the international system of numeration, the periods are, what are the periods? Ones, thousands and millions. Then the periods are ones, thousands and millions. In the first period, that is period of ones, there are the places ones, tens and hundreds. In the first period of ones, there are the places of ones, tens and hundreds. Then comes the next period. What is the next period? Periods of thousands. In that period, the places are thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. In the international system of numeration, the places are divided into groups of ones, thousands, millions, etc. In the first period, that is period of ones, the places comes are, what are the places? Ones, tens and hundreds. Then in the next period, that is in the period of thousands, the places are thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Then in the third period, that is periods of millions, the places are millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay? Okay. Then take your book, page number 7. Page number 7. You can see a place value chart there in international system. That's a question. Example 4. Example 4. In the In the chart, you can see 3 periods. That is first one, period of ones. In that period, there are places ones, tens and hundreds. Then next comes period of thousands. In that period, you can also see 3 places there, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. The next period comes the place of millions. This is the International System of Numeration. Next period comes the period of millions. In that period, there are 3 places. There are millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, then look at the question. Rewrite each of the following numbers with proper commas using the International Place Value Chart. You are given 2 numbers there. Write down it in the place value chart and rewrite it with proper commas and also write the number names of each in international system. You are asked to write these numbers in the place value chart, and after putting commas, you are asked to write the names of these numbers in international system. Then look at the chart. First number is 239786. 239786. Then 6 comes at the place of ones. Then 8 comes at the place of tens. 7 comes at the place of 100. 9 comes at the place of 1000. 3 comes at the place of 10,000. 2 comes at the place of 100,000. You should remember, when you are considering the place values, you should always start from the right side. Never start from the left side. You should always start from the right side of the number. Okay, that is from the place of ones. Then the next number is 75807924. Look at the place value chart. 4 comes at the place of ones. Then 2 at the place of tens. 9 at the place of hundreds. 7 at the place of thousands. 0 at the place of 10,000. 100,000, there is 8. 5 at the place of millions. And 7 at the place of 10 millions. Okay. Then what is the process of putting comma in international system of numeration? In Indian system, the first comma comes after first period. That is after 3 digits. Then the second comma onwards, we put comma after every 2 digits. That is the Indian system. Okay, but in international system, we always put comma between after every 3 digits. That is, each period contains 3 places. So we put comma after every 3 digits. That is after each period. Okay, take the next page. There is the answer. First number, the given numeral is 239. There is a comma 786. Okay. Then read the number name 239,786. That is the number name in international system. 239,786. Okay. Then the next number, the given numeral is 75,807,924. The number name is 75,807,900. sorry, 924. I will explain it once more. Look at your screen. Okay, here is the number. The second number is 75807 924. This is the number, and in Indian system, this number can be written as 7 crore 58 lakh 7,924. This is the Indian system. This number can be read as 7 crore 58 lakh 7,924. Look at this number. In this number, we put comma between each period. That is, after three digits from the right side, the first comma comes. Then the second period onwards, we put comma between each two digits. This is the Indian system. Okay. Then in the international system, we put comma between each periods, that is between every three digits, 924. This is the international system of numeration. We put comma between every three digits. Then the number can be read as 75,807,924. Next period comes the period of thousands. In the international system, the second period is period of thousands. There you can see three digits, 5, 8 and 9. In the period of thousands, there are three places. That is, place of 1,000, then 10,000 and 100,000. That is the second period. Okay. Then comes the period of million. What? Period of million. Okay. In that period, you can see three places. That is million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay. Then we have to read the number with the help of the period. The first period is period of million. So the number can start like 56 million. Then comes the period of 1,000. Then comes the period of 1,000. So the next portion of the number is 985,000. 985,000. Then comes the last question, last period, 286. So the number can be read as 56,985,236. Got it? Got it? Okay. Then take another example. In the international system, we are putting comma after every three digits. Okay, after every three digit. Okay, look at this number. here a comma, then after the period of 1000, here is also a comma. This number can be read as, who is ready to read? Heaven, can you read this?
Million.
Yes.
What, miss?
Can you read this number in international system?
Once
Listen.
after
65 million. This number can be read as 65,648,962. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then our class is just as what is your doubt?
മിസ്റ്റർ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഓരോ ഇതുപോലത്തെ വലിയ അക്കങ്ങളൊക്കെ എഴുതുമ്പോ ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ ലെവലിൽ കോമ ഇടണോ അതോ ഇന്ത്യൻ
ഇന്ത്യൻ സിസ്റ്റം യൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. നമുക്ക് ഇതൊന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞു വെക്കണമെന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ സിസ്റ്റം നമ്മൾ യൂഷ്വലി യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇന്ത്യൻ സിസ്റ്റം മാത്രമാണ്. ഓക്കെ, പക്ഷെ ഇത് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി മാത്രം പഠിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഈ ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ സിസ്റ്റം.
എക്സാം ഒക്കെ വരുമ്പോഴോ?
എക്സാമിന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ടാവും. Okay, then you have homework, page number 8. Page number 8, exercise 1A, question 3 and 4. Question 3 and 4.